In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookmark jobs on Glassdoor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save roles you're interested in, so you can come back to them quickly and apply when you're ready. Start by opening Glassdoor in your web browser or launching the mobile app and sign into your account. Being logged in ensures your saved jobs sync across devices, so anything you bookmark on your phone will also be available on your computer. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. Next, head to the search bar and type in a job title, a company name, or a location you're interested in. You can mix and match terms to narrow your results, like combining a role with a city or a company. Try a couple of variations if your first search is too broad or too narrow. Using related keywords can serve as more relevant listings and help you compare options side by side. Quick note before we continue. If you need the website link or the mobile app download, I've placed them right at the top of the description so you can get to Glassdoor quickly from whichever device you're using. From your search results, click or tap a job posting to open the full job details. This is where you can review the description, responsibilities, qualifications, salary insights, and company reviews. Give it a careful read so you're only saving roles that genuinely fit what you want. When you're ready to save one, look for the bookmark or save icon near the job title. On desktop, it often appears as a ribbon or bookmark symbol. On mobile, it may sit near the top or at the bottom of the listing. Click or tap that icon to save the job. It's a quick way to keep track of roles you want to compare or revisit later. Confirm that your job is saved by checking the icon. It should change appearance, often filling in or switching to a saved state. If it doesn't update right away, refresh the page or wait a moment. Sometimes it can take a second to reflect the change. To view everything you've saved, go to your profile or the Save Jobs section. On the website, you'll find it under your account menu. In the app, look for Save Jobs in the navigation. This hub makes it easy to scan your list, open any listing, and apply when you're ready. Remember, bookmarking doesn't submit an application. It simply keeps your shortlist organized. That's it. You've successfully bookmarked jobs on Glassdoor so you can come back and apply anytime. Thanks for watching.